Hi guys, so this might be a weird little video. I was just super debating if I should um, turn off my emails coming in. But anyway, um, if I should do the Anna Griffin Create Crop at Home event number 3, as you can see there. I have done one other event, and I think I bought one of her boxes like on sale on her website one time, but it was after the event, right? So like a year after, so I got it for like half price. Um, but I went ahead and took the plunge. I guess Mother's Day is coming up, so I'm feeling, that should be my gift. But I'll link that in the description box through HSN. That would be an affiliate link, means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. What happens is they will email you with, I guess, your HSN email, whatever you have registered with HSN, and they send you like the info, right? Your login that you're going to need so you can go to the event and all that kind of stuff. So it's really simplified, really easy. And I think they leave it available until the next Create event. So it's like a year or whatever, or at least until November, something odd like that. That's what happened last time, until the next event. So I think the next event was in November from May. Last time around, I had my house tented, and it was actually really nice because it feels like I had to go away, to like an actual like hotel, and I had everything set up. Here it's gonna be here at home, which means I'm gonna have my regular chores, my regular duties, and it might not be the same, but I'll try to make space as far as being there. I will be in the chat with you guys. So basically, this video is just talking about that I'm gonna be doing the Create event, and it is May. I want to say May 5th, 6th, and 7th, or 5th and 6th. It's the weekend before Mother's Day. The info is there for you guys. It's also available on Anna Griffin's site. I did pick it up on HSN because I have their card and I got $20 off of that, and then it has the free shipping. I believe it probably has free shipping on Anna's site too, because I think you can do free shipping over 100. But for me, I'll link it here at HSN. It's just more convenient for me, and that's just what I did. Yeah, and the other thing is too, I have a lot of pictures that I either haven't printed or I already have printed out, and I keep saying I want to do more scrapbooking, and then I don't get around to it. So hopefully this will give me a little like gear up to do some scrapbooking, or at least have some different style. I don't know, something. But I'm in need of inspo, you guys. So hopefully that'll just at least get me going on that. The other event or kind of like classes that I'm going to be doing are the Spellbinders Glimmer. Now, with the Create event, you can't just go in there. You have to buy the thing. You have to get your ticket and all that. I think afterwards they do sell like Create Event 2, I think, which I'm probably going to pick up, is a set of instructions, because it doesn't come with a set of instructions. You're watching the videos, you're in the chat, you're doing the event. You can still access it for however long afterwards. But the instructions are like $60 on Anna Griffin's site. So I guess it's a printout they'll send you, which is great. So I still haven't picked them up. I'm debating that. So I might buy them. I think for another event they were like $80, the instructions. I'm like, wow, that's quite a bit of money for something like that. But I might do that. But for this one, you definitely have to have your ticket, and then maybe later on they're going to have something for you to, like I said, you could buy. With Spellbinders, it is free. So it's the Glimmer Virtual Workshop, the main class kit, and the add-on class kit. And I bought both of them. I picked them up myself. They haven't been shipped yet, but it's not going to happen until mid-May. So you have time still to pick it up. On top of that, you can keep accessing those classes too, right? With the Anna Griffin one, obviously, hopefully I'll get mine pretty soon. The event is not this weekend, but next weekend. So with this one, I believe it tells you here, May 13th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It will be permanently available after as well, which is really great, right? So this is just information that anybody can just go on and you can check it out. The info's there for you to get there on their site and everything. But you can then, if you want to buy and follow along, you can purchase this kit, and it comes with papers and foils, and as you can see, all the different, this is just a ton of dies here. That cool foil plate that, it's just like a flat foil plate, so if you have extra foiling, like after you're done, you have a little piece that you want to use, you can use this and it'll imprint it. I don't know how to explain that, but I do have some of these, and I probably should do a tutorial with them. These guys, I love it. Sentiments, and then the strip die that cuts all the sentiments at once. Amazing gems. And then we have some dies and plates here that are like floral. And then the add-on set, and that's the main set. And then there's an add-on if you want to keep going with it. It has the plate with your stenciling and then the die and embossing folders and some sentiments. And this is really cute. So this one, I believe, yeah, it's the foiled alphabet, and then it has a die to cut them all out at once. So then you have little foiled letters that you can play with, and it looks like there's another stencil with that, so you can color them in too. So I grabbed both of those, and again, that's in May. And that's along with the new, right now it's just in with the new products that came in, but I'll link them individually. And one last thing I do want to mention, so those are classes I have coming up. I don't know if there's a chat in the Spellbinders one. I'm assuming there will be because that's part of the whole thing, like you can go and you ask questions. So I will be in the chat, definitely will be in the chat in the Anna Griffin one. It's really hard to keep up. Even if you cut the papers and have everything ready, it's super hard to keep up in the create events, I'm telling you. It's crazy, but it ends up just being like a chat with everybody. That's pretty much what I did last time, and it was really fun. I tried to keep up at the beginning, and that was it. The Tonic Vault sales, of course, they have for the UK and the US, and every day they're unlocking something new until next Monday. And so today they unlock like the Stamp Club sets. So I will link right to the sale, and what happens is they're all here. So now it's Stamp Clubs today, and then tomorrow it's something else, the next day something else, and they build on each other until they sell out, right? So we have magazines and all kinds of things. A lot of the boxes have sold out, but you can see that they just go and go and go. And oh, this one's so pretty too, the Clocks and Cogs. That's one of my favorite boxes right here. Anyhow, just so you know, every day something else is unlocked, basically a different type of thing, like the designer's choices and stuff like that, which will be interesting because they haven't done a designer's choice in a while, so it's obviously things that came out a while back. But yeah, so I'll link right to that. And thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to give you that info about the Glimmer and the Create event in case you want to sign up or I guess purchase these things so that you'll have them and we can chat during that time. So all right, guys, I'll have it all linked in the description box. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you at the next one. Bye now.